Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online with Delta Airlines. You can check in either through Delta's official website or mobile app. But today, I'll walk you through the process using the website. First, go to the official website of Delta. On the home page, click on Check-in at the top menu. You'll now see several options to find your trip. You can check in using your confirmation number, your credit card number, your ticket number, or your Sky Miles number. No matter which option you choose, you'll also need to enter your departure airport. Once you've entered all the correct information, you'll be able to locate your flight and check in all passengers linked to that booking. You may need to present valid travel documentation for verification. If everything checks out, you'll get access to your boarding pass, which you can download or print. If you're having trouble finding your flight, click Need Help at the top of the page. This will bring you to the Delta Help Center, where you can get support through various channels like chat, phone, or email. And that's it. Now you know how to check in online with Delta Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.